Hi guys, Vince from Posture Prime. So in this video I want to run through exactly what I eat for breakfast and take you through a normal routine of what I go through. It changes from time to time, just depending on what I feel like. For breakfast, really I'll take notions, I'll go through different weight protocols or systems, but really I'm always trying to listen to my body and what I feel like it wants, and that takes time to really learn that there. So it's a question I do get asked regularly, and I want to just then have it all out here so you can show as a health nut what my breakfast would look like. So what I like to start with is, at the moment I'm doing a type of smoothie bowl breakfast at the moment. So I tend to have the base as fruit, and then what I'll do is I'll have like a nut cream dressing over the top of it, and maybe top it with some fruits as well. So fruit's a big staple and part of my diet because it's so healthy, cleansing and hydrating, and I really enjoy it as well. But I like to add a little bit of fat and protein into the meal to make sure it's satiating and well balanced too. So at the moment I'm doing like a citrus type of breakfast. So I start off with 2 large grapefruits and 3 oranges. I will peel them and have them in a bowl. Then what I'll do is, for the dressing, I like to have, at the moment I have a cup of pecans that have been soaking overnight, and then to cleanse them and to also, if you understand, they help to release the digestive enzymes and the inhibitors in it. So I'll have a cup of pecans, I'll have a scoop of protein powder, I'll have about 5 or 6 dates, I'll have a pinch of cinnamon, I'll also have a tablespoon of cacao, and I'm going to top it with pomegranate seeds. So there is a little bit of, my method behind it is I do want the citrus, and I want the good healthy fats from the pecans, and you've got the protein powder for the added benefits of amino acids. Now it's a sprouted brown rice protein powder, so it's very highly enzymatic activated, and it's also got all the health benefits, but it's easy digested, so it's easy on my tummy. Also I have the cinnamon because of the antioxidant benefits, and I usually top it off with some nice fruit. So what I do is, once I have those soaking overnight, I'm going to blend the pecans, the powder, the dates, cacao, cinnamon. I'm going to blend them all up and keep it quite a nice and thick cream, and dress over that on top of that. So basically, when I have all that done, this is what it will look like, guys. And that is my typical breakfast. It is a chocolate nut cream, protein rich. You got the citrus there from the oranges, and you also got the beautiful grapefruit, and it's topped with pomegranate seeds. So that'll be a typical breakfast for me, and it's absolutely delicious, and I can never wait to tuck in. So please, if this here helps to inspire you to eat a bit healthier and to prepare a really healthy breakfast, it doesn't take too long, but it really is satisfying. So that is my typical breakfast in a day. If you'd like to see more videos like this on what I eat in a day or different meals, just comment down below, and if you like this, hit the thumbs up, share, and I'm happy to also give you a little bit more breakdown what a health coach does and eats in a day. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.